Welcome to eXpansysTV. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MWg Atom V Pocket PC. Taking a quick look in the box, you'll see on the top you've got the MWg Atom V itself. Now if I take this rather nice packaging out, underneath the first section are your power adapters. So I've got an interchangeable plug adapter head for Australia, the US, Europe, UK plug adapter head, and the actual cable itself. In the next box we've got a battery, stylus, a stereo headset and a mini USB cable. And then in the last box we've got a quick start guide, user manual, a getting started disc with Outlook 2002, ActiveSync 4.5 and the warranty statement. Just opening this box, quickly show you the pretty high quality manual that's included with setup instructions and guides in full colour. I've already charged the MWg Atom V up, so let's just take a quick look around the device itself. If you look on the front here, you've got a number of buttons on the bottom. You've got call, answer and end call, and then you've got 4 more application buttons on the front as well, and then this navigational pad at the front as well. If I take a look on the side of the device, over here you'll see a microSD card slot, then you've got a scroll wheel button here, and then you've also got your button for taking pictures on the inbuilt camera. At the bottom we've got a mini USB connector that will be used for syncing and charging the device, and on the other side here there is a stylus slot here, which I'll get the stylus out of the packaging in a sec, and I've also got a headphone jack on the side here. And then at the top you've got your power button. On the back you'll find a 2 megapixel camera, and then obviously the battery cover, which just slides off like so. Just remember, you always have to remove the stylus before you take the battery cover off this as well. Again, a bit like the MWg Zinc 2, it's got quite a tactile feel to the back, which again it seems to be quite common on these kind of devices at the moment. Okay, going back onto the front screen on the device, it's a 2.5-8" touchscreen, QVGA. The resolution's 240 by 320 pixels. Other specifications on the device, inside it's got a Intel X-Scale PXA 270 520 MHz processor. It's got 256 meg of ROM, 64 meg of RAM, and for cellular data it supports UMTS on the 1200 MHz band. It's also a quad band GSM, and it also supports HSDPA up to 7.2 megabits per second. It includes Bluetooth version 2.0 and Wi-Fi 802.11b and G. It's also got an inbuilt FM radio as well, and it's got an inbuilt Surfstar 3 GPS receiver. And looking at the dimensions, the length is 116mm by 59mm across, and the depth is 14.95mm. Just taking a quick look at the screen, it's a pretty standard Windows Mobile 6 screen, and if I hit the Start menu I can see that I've got a standard suite of Office mobile applications: Calendar, File Explorer, Internet Explorer, Messaging, Phone. I've got some other applications here: an Easy Touch menu, a Torch application, GPS tracking application, Dial Kit and Pocket Remote, and then I've got the main programs group down here and access to the settings and the help file as well. Let's compare the size of the MWg Atom V to 2 more devices. I've got the original iPhone here, and I've also got the MWg Zinc 2, which has also got a slide out keyboard. So first of all, if I compare the size to the Apple iPhone, I'll see on width that it's slightly thicker than the iPhone. On the width side, there's really not that much in it, and length, the iPhone's actually just slightly taller than it. Obviously the iPhone screen is a lot larger than the MWg Atom V screen as well. Now if I compare it to the Zinc 2, again the screen sizes are pretty much similar. As you would expect, because the Zinc 2 has got the slide-out keyboard as well, it's slightly thicker, and on the width side the Atom V is probably just a touch smaller, but it's really very, very similar in width. To sum up, the MWg Atom V Pocket PC is a very, very good addition to the MWg group of products. It's well built, it's got lots of really good specifications, and it's available now from eXpansys.com.